stretching right across the sky. Violet, indigo and blue, orange, red and yellow too. And green makes 7 colors of the rainbow in the sky. Dancing from the rainbow's end, 7 fairies, 7 friends. In the rainbow stretching from the sky down to the land. At the end of the rainbow, where the colors touch the land.